My e-learning module is being planned to meet the learning needs of some of our elementary students who need more practice with rounding numbers to the nearest 10 and nearest 100. So I'm planning this e-learning module on that topic, and also trying to incorporate some gamification strategies to increase and sustain their attention and motivation. The focus of this presentation is to talk about strategies that I wanted to incorporate and how that impacted my design decisions. I wanted to keep the screens very simple, yet include the gamification strategies. Here are just a couple examples of some of my screens that I planned in my storyboarding. Our students have used a program in the past called MobyMax, and they are very motivated by the badges, which they get after completing 50 problems correctly, as well as having the stars filled in as they answered questions. I decided to incorporate the stars feature in my e-learning module because I thought it was a simple design technique that I could use to help motivate the students. Our district has adopted an iPad program that has a 3-year deployment timeline. Our students currently have iPads in the classroom as well as Chromebooks. So I had to keep that in mind as I was designing this module as well. I selected Captivate 9 as the software that I would use to create this module. It has a responsive e-learning design, which allows you to author the module once, but then it automatically adjusts the flow of the screens so that it fits on the various devices. So I could author this once and it would work on the iPads as well as in the Chromebooks. I downloaded a 30-day free trial of Captivate 9, thinking I could put this together, at least some type of prototype for this course, but I quickly learned that it has quite a steep learning curve. So I started watching the tutorials and learned some things, but I wasn't able to really create this for the course. What I'm curious of from the rest of you who are instructional designers is, how did you learn your software? Did you learn it on your own? Did you take courses? Did you go to workshops that's your business funded? In the comments of the threaded discussion for this presentation, I'd really greatly appreciate finding out how the rest of you learned your software. Right now, I feel that's my biggest challenge with creating e-learning modules. I have the concepts in mind that I want to do, and I understand learning and assessment. What I need to learn is the software, so I'd greatly appreciate some thoughts on how you learn that in your position.